Hello, I'm Nikola and we'll talk about a community which is making a free magazine called LiBRE, about how ideas started, how we organized and what problems we encountered. So the idea started in the local community of Ubuntu Serbia. A guy called Aca told us that he wants to make an e-magazine or blog or something, and we organized some IRC meetings, and we formed an idea. Should it be a blog or should it be a website, a book or something? And we decided that e-magazine is the best form because we don't have such media here on Balkan. And we started gathering some articles and we chose a name. The name has two meanings. In Serbia we have a word which doesn't mean anything specifically. It's bre. So it's Linux bre. And another meaning is LiBRE, like freedom. And we started writing issue 1 and released it, and it went really well. We got over 1,000 downloads in few days, so it went really good. After that, we had to choose licensing, and we decided it to be Creative Commons, so anyone can share our work, make it better, and they cannot sell it. And we just want to mention us and our community, and we needed to define meeting rules. So we have one guy on meeting who gives a word to someone who wants to speak, and stuff like that. And one big problem we had is to decide which form we will choose. Will it be Cyrillic or Latin? And we decided to do both. It was simpler. And after that, LiBRE community became bigger. So we had weekly regular IRC meetings. We still have them. They were held every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Until a few months before. They are now on Mondays probably. And we organize it to teams like authors or lectures, like finding mistakes in writing, and the graphics team, marketing team, and the stuff. And we decided it to be monthly, and we had to divide month into few parts, like gathering new articles, and after that choosing the best of them, and after that forming a PDF. And we encountered the problem of, okay, how we'll do it? For the first few issues, we just gathered articles by email. So their text was sent to me, and I then distributed it, and it was a mess. So we decided to use a wiki, and we have a wiki page for every issue, and we edit them there and choose which one are the best for next issue. Numbers. Over 5,000 downloads for first few issues, so that are some pretty nice numbers for a local community which started few years ago. And if we take a look at separate downloads for every issue, it's over 100,000 downloads. Current issue is 27, and if we take into account the first one, which was 0, is 28 regular issues and some special issues about scribes and tools we use. It's over 30. We have about 1,000 regular downloads every month, and officially it's about 30 members, but we have a problem that a lot of members aren't still active, and we'll talk about that later. And we had a lot more of contributors. So, problems. We have about 5 active members now, and it's really sad, and we need help. So in some way, this is our call for help. We have problems how to get new authors, and we need help with graphics and building PDF, and we started making EPUB releases too, and we need people to do those things. And we know that we suck at marketing, and we don't know how to reach to the people, and a lot of guys even here don't know that there's a magazine like this one on the internet. And I'm particularly sad about the things that we have almost no feedback from readers. We don't have comments on our site. We don't get any emails, and we basically don't know if we are doing something wrong. So if you take a look at our site and our magazine, please tell us if something's good or something's bad, or how can you help, or who to ask to help us. And critical problems. Does your community have problem? Communities are shrinking, and new one rise, and some old are broken. And how to get new members, and how to have old members be still active in communities. I would like to hear some advice about that. And maybe we need some first aid for communities, like talking about building good and readable websites, or how to organize meetings in real life, because a lot of members in our team I've never met for over 2 years, and I'm ashamed of it. And share our work, join us, and help us. So any questions or something? And I see that I forgot to write address for magazine. It's libre.lugans.org. So I made this presentation during Mitch's talk. So okay, that would be it. Okay. Okay, I'd like to show you how does it look, just to get internet. Okay, so the site looks like this, and it's not the best you've seen probably. And we're writing only in Serbian because we don't have much people.
I have a question.
Yep.
How did you publish the existence of your design? Did you, for example, put up posters at university or something?
No, we used local communities in Serbia, and on Ubuntu forum you have like notification when new issue comes. And so it looks like this, and it's nice. It can be printed, and design maybe isn't so well, but if you know some guys who would like to help us and give us some advice, please tell us. We'll contact them and ask for help.
Maybe it would be the idea to print some issues and give them away on this conference, don't you think?
Yes, that would be a nice idea. We have archives like compact disc with every release. You can take it on our table upstairs, but printing it will, that would be a nice idea, yeah. Okay, some more questions maybe? Okay, so that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.